Welcome to the Ultimate Budget 3.0. This tutorial demonstrates the real buyer workflow in Google Sheets and Excel. The workbook has 23 tabs: Guide, Setup, Transactions, Accounts, Calendar, Paycheck, January through December, Annual. Start with Guide, then open Setup. Enter the template name, currency symbol, Start Year, Start Month, First Day of the Week, Budget View Mode, Paycheck Frequency, and Monthly Roll Mode. Next, review account seeds in the category list for income, bills, savings, debt, and transfers. Keep names consistent. A small spelling difference can divide one category across separate reports, so use the drop-down choices whenever possible. Transactions is the operating center of the workbook. Use one row for every activity. Enter the date, paid status, transaction. After updating transactions, open accounts. This page shows opening balance, inflows, outflows, current balance, and monthly history for checking, savings, cash, credit cards, loans, and investments. Use the cursor to compare the chart with the account table. When a balance appears incorrect, first inspect the account seed in Setup, then search the related transaction rows. Do not type a replacement number directly onto the account's dashboard. Calendar is used for recurring income, bills, savings contributions, and debt timing. Enter the type, category, due day, frequency, source account, destination account when needed, start month, and notes. Set each recurring item once, then review the month view. If the timing is wrong, correct the frequency, due day, start month, or end month in the planner instead of overwriting a calculated result. Use Paycheck for one pay period decision at a time. Enter the period, start date, end date, frequency, and starting cash. Then compare plan and actual income, expenses, savings, debt, and net left. Weekly, biweekly, semi-monthly, monthly, and custom periods are supported. A negative net left amount means you should inspect missing income, overspending, or an incomplete allocation before the next paycheck arrives. January through December use the same dashboard structure. Each month displays start balance, income, expenses, savings, end balance, budget versus actual results, charts, and category tables. Enter or correct data in transactions first, then return to the correct month. Dashboard cards and totals are formula areas. Do not overwrite them during normal use. If one month looks wrong, trace the source rows and category names. Annual combines the monthly tabs into one year-round view. Review net income by month, total income, total expenses, savings, debt payments, income versus expenses, and the largest categories. Use it for year-to-date decisions and trend review. When an annual value looks incorrect, open the related month, confirm its totals, and then return to annual. Fix the source rather than manually changing the yearly dashboard. In savings and sinking, enter each goal, target amount, monthly plan, starting saved balance, additions this year, and current saved amount. Review the progress percentage and chart. In debt planner, enter the debt name, opening balance, annual percentage rate, minimum payment, extra payment, amount paid this year, and current balance. Compare payoff timing and rankings and keep these values aligned with real transactions. Net worth combines assets and liabilities in one place. Review the latest balance chart, asset versus liability split, and monthly trend tables. Update accounts and debt planner before relying on this page. A stronger net worth can come from increasing cash or investments, reducing loans and credit cards, or both. Review it monthly, but avoid typing directly into its calculated summary blocks. The workbook is delivered without a password barrier for normal buyer use. Enter data in normal input cells. Leave formulas, charts, and the hidden list sheet unchanged unless you intentionally customize the model. If a dashboard is empty, verify setup, account names, categories, starting month, and dated transactions. If annual is wrong, check monthly tabs. If net worth is wrong, review accounts and debt planner. Always correct the source. The full workflow is re-guide, complete setup, enter clean transactions, review accounts and calendar, plan each paycheck, inspect the monthly dashboards, and then use annual, savings and sinking, debt planner, and net worth for deeper decisions. Make a copy first, keep category names consistent, use drop-downs, protect calculated areas, and save a clean backup. You are now ready to use the Ultimate Budget 3.0 with confidence.